Hey friends, if you're over 50 and starting over, or even thinking about starting over, this video is for you. Because today we're talking about the new path to income, confidence, and freedom that absolutely does not require tech skills or a big audience or dancing on TikTok. You know, when I first tried making money online, I thought there was something wrong with me. I'd open my laptop, and suddenly there were funnels and platforms and passwords and 47 different tabs open that all felt like they were in a different language. Every tutorial said it's easy. Meanwhile, I just sat there thinking, yeah, easy for who? A 12-year-old sitting in their basement building robots? But here's the kicker. I wasn't failing. I was learning the hard way. Because nobody ever explained this stuff to me in a simple human way. And that's what we're here to do today. Let's start with the truth. The hardest part about making money online, especially after 50, it's not the tech, it's not the products, it's not the learning the platforms. It's the belief that you can learn something new after decades of being told you're too late, you're not tech savvy enough, you're too old. But here's the real talk. Your age is your superpower. You have patience, you have resilience, you know how to show up, and you know how to follow through. Try telling that to a 22-year-old influencer who cries when the internet drops. And once you let that sink in, the whole making money online makes so much more sense. The whole online business world makes so much more sense. Here's something nobody told me early enough. If you don't have a product, you don't have a business. You have a hobby. And I learned this the embarrassing way. I spent months learning tools, watching videos, creating logos, but never actually creating something that I could sell. Let me explain this to you visually. No product, no problem solved, no income. But the beautiful part, your product doesn't have to be big, fancy. It can be a simple guide, a simple template, a starter workbook, a mini course, even a low-cost digital download. The best products are simple, they're evergreen, they're helpful, quick for beginners to use, and they don't require customer service at 3 a.m. And you know what? Some people start with MRR, Master Resale Rights. That basically means you buy a high-quality digital product, you own the rights to resell it, you keep 100% of the profit, and you don't have to create any of the product yourself. Compare that to spending thousands for a college course, where you walk away with a certificate and zero resale rights, zero product, zero earning potential. Online business after 50, it's smarter, it's more flexible, and it lets you skip the build everything from scratch phase. By the way, if you want the exact download of how these digital products work, which ones are beginner friendly, and the system I use to make it simple, download my Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's free. It walks you through the entire beginner pathway step by step. You'll find the link below. Traffic. Traffic sounds intimidating. It just means people seeing your stuff. That's it. Not complicated, not scary, not guru-level strategy. Here are the 3 different kinds of traffic. You have organic traffic. People find you naturally through your platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Pinterest. Then there's warm traffic. People have seen you before, and they trust you. And hot traffic? People are ready to buy. When you're over 50 and starting out, organic traffic is your best friend. Why? Because it's free, it builds trust, it grows your audience, and it multiplies over time. I've found YouTube to be the best platform for beginners over 50 because your videos live forever. You can be discovered 24/7. You automatically build trust. You don't need to dance. You can talk calmly and teach and just be yourself. And YouTube search brings traffic to you even while you're asleep. This is why I've switched more of my content to long form. It feels like you're talking to your best friend. It builds deeper connection, and the algorithm actually rewards you for quality, not speed. Let's talk about something crucial that beginners usually skip: your email list. I want you to think about social media like renting an apartment. You can decorate it, you can show up every day, but the landlord, the algorithm, can change the rules at any moment. Your email list, that's your home, your land, your digital real estate. No one can take it from you. Here's the simplest way to think about it. Social media equals attention. Email list equals income. You use social media to attract people to you, and you use an email list to build a relationship and guide them through their journey. And what helps them join your email list? A lead magnet. A lead magnet is basically something free that you give people in exchange for their email. So they can be anything from a checklist to mini guides to templates, quick win tools, and start here guides. That's why my Freedom Formula blueprint works so well. It gives people clarity, direction, and confidence before they even spend a dollar. If you don't have a lead magnet yet, or you want to see how a simple, effective one actually works, grab my Freedom Formula blueprint. Use it as a model or follow it step by step to create your own online business. You'll find it below. This is what I love about digital income. One piece of content can create multiple income streams. Let me break that down for you. Stream number one, your digital product. That's your asset, your creation, or your MRR program. Stream number two is affiliate income. You recommend tools that you already use, people buy them through your link, and you earn a commission. There's lots of beginner-friendly tools that you can promote. Email platforms, Canva, stock photo files, YouTube toolkits, AI tools, simple templates, and beginner courses. Stream 3 is ad revenue. YouTube will pay you once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Stream 4 is your email list. You send helpful resources and you earn a commission in the background. And here's the magic. You don't do more work. Your automated content does that for you. Here's the truth. Starting over later in life is not a setback. It's a strategic advantage because you're not guessing. You're not searching for your identity, and you're not trying to impress anybody. You're building something meaningful, something that will give you your time back, something that grows even when you take the day off, and something that you can hand down to your family. And if you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. If you're nodding along and thinking, yeah, I want to do this, but I need step-by-step instructions, start with the Freedom Formula blueprint. It's simple, it's visual, and it'll save you months of overwhelm. The link is below. And if you want your next step, watch my video, Over 50 Easy Side Hustles. The link is right here. Because when you pair what you've learned today with what I teach in that video, things start to click fast. I'm so glad you're here. I'm rooting for you, and trust me, it's never too late to start something new. Hit the like and subscribe button and save this video so that you can come back to it later. We're in this together always.